Let's now talk about entering some text and numbers and dates into areas of a worksheet. I'm going to go to sheet 1 and I'm on cell G5 and that's okay. I'm going to start typing the word first, and as soon as I start typing, you'll notice that the formula bar changes and the status mode indicator will change from ready to enter. So let me start typing now. Look at those areas as I type. I'm not finished yet. I have not pressed the enter key to complete the operation. I see what's going on up in the formula bar. I see the word enter down here in the status bar. So I can cancel the entry before it goes in with the cancel or the escape key on the keyboard. I can confirm the entry by clicking this or pressing the enter key. I'm going to finish this entry by tapping the T and then pressing the enter key. I'm going to type the word second, and this will happen again. And I'm going to type the word third. This can happen very quickly. The formula bar and the status mode indicator change every time you enter anything into a cell. Now you'll notice that words have a left alignment. They align to the left side of the cell. We can override this when we learn how to format, but for now, this is what Excel does with text entries. I'm going to put in some numbers here. The formula bar and the status bar, again, will change. So I'm going to type in the number 555. And as I'm typing, you can look at the formula bar and the status bar. Status mode indicator says enter. Formula bar shows me what's going on. I press the enter key, and I've completed my first number entry. You'll notice numbers aligned to the right. I'll do this again. I'll enter the number 900,000. And press the enter key. There we go. Now let's put in some dates. Dates are a little particular in that Excel also formats the cells when it recognizes that your intention is to put a date into a cell. So if I type 3/4, watch what happens when Excel takes this over. I press the enter key. It says the 4th of March. Okay? So that's when I typed 3/4. Now if I type 3/4/15, Excel turns it into a different format. Now you can learn how to format dates, but for now we're just looking at data entry and what Excel might or might not do when you put something into a cell. So it really doesn't do much with words except align them to the left, and with numbers align them to the right. But if you type in some dates like this, it will format them. And then you need to understand how formatting works. We're not covering that in this particular recording. This is just going to be on entering information into cells. So that rounds out our brief introduction to how you put entries into cells.